Okay, today we're going to talk about the fastest case trimming method that I have found thus far. Okay, so this is the setup that I have here. So what I have is the world's finest trimmer. This is the second version, which allows me to have a little insert that I can do multiple rounds. So I have a 6.5 Creedmoor. I have the Horny, I think this is their something duo. Anyway, so this is going to chamfer and deburr my case, and then I'm going to remount the primer pockets because I'm doing 223 with this, with just a Phillips head. And then obviously I do have some safety stuff, so obviously I got glasses. I wear hearing, not really hearing protection, mostly to listen to music because this stuff gets noisy, and then I wear a set of gloves as well. So let me show you what that looks like.
I'm going to stick it in here. One reason I like this is that if it's already trimmed and already not long enough, it measures off the neck, and I've already sized these, so it just won't trim it, and you can feel that. I'm going to chamfer it, deburr it, and then remount the primer pocket. Oh, I didn't. Let me clamp that one down. So I usually go both hands. Trim, trim, chamfer, deburr, chamfer, deburr, remount the primer pocket. And I always check my primer pockets because sometimes it's not the first time I've reloaded the case, and then I don't have to do it again. So.
Okay guys, so that's pretty much it. So like I mentioned, I really like this thing because it'll measure off the neck after I've already sized it, so they all get pretty uniform, and it won't trim it if it doesn't need to be trimmed. This guy's really quick. You just have to kiss them to both and then flip it around, remount the primer pocket if it needs it. And I checked my primer pockets because sometimes I've reloaded that casing, the cartridge, the casing before, and I don't need to do it.
Okay, so as far as accuracy, I shoot for, the Horny manual says you're supposed to go 1.75. I usually go for 1.74 to 1.75, and I just go a touch shorter, 5 or 10 thousandths shorter, just so I don't have to trim so dang much. Anyway, so there you go. That's 1.725, 1.43, 1.43, 1.445, 1.41. So these are all plus or minus like 3 thousandths of an inch. 1.43. Okay, so you see that they're all pretty darn. They're all typically plus or minus 2 or 3 thousandths, which is honestly pretty darn impressive for just a quick trim setup like this. Every once in a while I'll get an outlier. A lot of these are just range brass, haven't been shot out of my gun, so, and all these are all mixed head stamps, so you're going to get some variance there. But for just an AR rounds, this is one of the fastest ways that I found to trim.
So guys, that's pretty much it. It's super quick, and if you have any other better, faster case trimming methods that you have come up with, then please put them in the comments below. And maybe I'll even look it up and do a review on that and talk about it. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. See you next time.